celebrating all your victories.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Sabrina. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title, we are doing another smoothing treatment. So this is my second time doing the Design Essentials STS Smoothing System. It is a amino acid smoothing treatment. FYI, I am not a professional. I am not a cosmetologist. I do not have a license. These products are meant for professional use only, but you know me. If you don't know me, I'm a full-hearted DIY girly. I'm gonna do it myself. Rather than paying you out hundreds and hundreds of dollars, I'm gonna do it myself. And that's what I did. It's currently October, so it's been about 5 months since I've had that treatment. This is my second application. The first treatment, I did not follow the directions because my hair needed specific things at that moment that I was going to give my hair. Totally beside the point, but it was stupid. I should have did it because I still didn't get what I needed to do with my hair. But in this one, I wanted to show you the full process following the directions to a T so you can see what your results will be. Clearly this is not all my hair. I did install some clip-ins after a week after I've already done the treatment. So this is the second week now. I haven't washed my hair yet, but I will be washing my hair and I will record that in a couple weeks. So I am going to be doing some keratin tips, some K-tip extensions, and I wanted to make sure my hair in between was going to last and stay. I live in Florida. Yes, it's October, but it's still very wet, very humid. So there's no such thing as silk press season in Florida. I'm sorry. We got about a good 1 month collectively of like silk press season, and that 1 month isn't even like back to back to back. It's like sporadic moments. Okay, so I need to make sure my hair was gonna last. And yeah, so I'm practicing with these clip-ins, having my hair out during extensions. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the application. Hey guys, so we are back to do, I don't even want to say an updated, but a refresher of the Design Essentials STS system. So when I first did my first one of you jumped down my throat. I'm some girl, you're not even following the directions. I know. I said in there that, hey, this is not what the direction says, but this is what my hair needs. This is what I want to do. So I'm going to do it and we're going to see what happens. And I'm happy that I actually filmed it and you guys are able to see, because I typically always get questions whenever I do a style, a treatment, anything of, hey, I'm thinking about doing this. Can I do that and do the treatment as well? Typically, I'm like, hey, I don't really know. I've never done it like that, but you could try it, see what yours come out with. This time, if someone says, hey, I'm thinking about dyeing my hair and doing the Design Essentials STS treatment in the same day, do you think that's a good idea? Now I can be like, nah, girl, actually go back and watch this video. Your color's not going to take. Your color might actually coming out like hella brighter than your natural hair color. Sweetheart, don't do it. Do the treatment and then like a couple weeks later, then dye your hair. Yeah, so for the girl that was getting on me, today I'm here to do another application of the Design Essentials STS Smoothing Treatment. I am not a professional hairstylist. I'm just a DIY girly. I share with y'all my experience through different things I've tried with my hair, different treatments, different hair care journeys, all of the above. If you're not new to this, you already know. If you are new to this, now you know. Okay, not a stylist, just a DIY girly that if I want to try something, I'm going to try it. I'm going to let y'all know how it works, and you get to see the results on me, and I get to tell you of just my experiences. That's what it's always been on this channel. That's what it's going to continue to be. Yeah, so this one is going to be a true tutorial demo of how you're supposed to use the system and what it'll look like. This is what the hair is looking like right now. My hair's been in this bun for like a couple weeks. It has a lot of gel, a lot of hairspray, a lot of edge control. It's dry. So you guys are going to be able to see what my natural hair looks like 5 months after the treatment. So you can see a true testament on the integrity of like your curl and your natural hair texture and stuff like that, even with using this treatment. This is super mild. This is nothing like a keratin treatment, I will say that, because it truly doesn't alter your texture. So the Design Essentials, it is a 3-step system. Move back. So it is a 3-step system. It has the cleansing sulfate-free shampoo, the smoothing mousse, and again, this is a amino acid smoothing treatment, and this is an alternative to chemical straighteners. And then it has the 3rd step, which is the thermotherapy leave-in sealant. It's just 3 steps. So because my hair is so gunky and so disgusting, I'm going to shampoo 3 times. Since this is a gentle shampoo, I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo 3 times with this to really remove all of the product and everything from my hair, because I really want to do this treatment like really good this time. It's October. I know like literally fall just touched down. Our weather is like getting a bit cooler here in Florida, but it literally has rained for like the past 2 weeks also in October in Florida. So it's still very much wet, very much humid, very much ill, very much my hair will not survive. And I'm ready to wear my hair out. I've really kind of been like in wigs and buns since probably like a month after I did the treatment. Baby, I'm ready for my hair. I'm ready. And she's back. You know what I'm saying? She back, so she ready to be out. Okay? Okay, so we're back. I'm done shampooing. This is what our hair is looking like. So this is my hair 5 months after my first initial application. Give you a little texture shot. This is shampooed. Nothing else is on my hair. And you can see, yeah. So this is a super mild smoothing treatment, and it is truly just a smoothing treatment. You ladies who like to wear your hair straight and still maintain your texture, like shrinkage is crazy. Okay, so now it's time. So you're supposed to cover up the section that you're not working with so your hair doesn't dry out. I have a misting bottle. I'm just going to use that, so I don't really care about trying to cover it up. But now we're going to go ahead and apply the second step, which is the smoothing mousse. I don't think you got to shake it, but I'm just going to shake it. Alrighty, and you need gloves. I don't have regular gloves right now, so all I have are the ones that I buy. They're like the disposable cleaning gloves. So these are the gloves I'm using, but you have to wear gloves. So I'm just gonna go in and section my hair. So yeah, I just like washed my hair, and that's that. No detangling. For this, I want to drench my hair. Like you want to drench. Make sure every single strand is covered. So I'm just pumping this all in my hand, and I'm gonna apply it that way. And then I'm gonna use this brush to detangle my hair. And then also this is going to help distribute it as well. Wow. Okay. I'm so happy I got this. Oh yeah. All right. So I have high porosity hair, so my hair dries out pretty quick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mist it from now, the section that I'm working with, so it could be damp for me to apply. All right, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to all 4 sides. After that, you let it process for 15 minutes at room temperature. So nothing on, and then we'll be back to like blow dry it in, flat iron, all of the good stuff. Okay guys, so it's been 30 minutes instead of the 15 because I had to get me a snack, okay? And then also I was like, it can't hurt from a little extra processing. So we're gonna go ahead and blow, oh no, we're not. So now we're gonna go in with the step 3, which is the thermotherapy leave-in sealant. So it seals the cuticles, It moisturizes, and I think it's also supposed to be a heat protectant as well. Go through the sections. I don't have any gloves on my hands through this blow drying process, but just it is what it's gonna be. I don't want to put too much of this because you can weigh your hair down if you do. My hair feels soft though to the touch to just be shampooed. Okay, so there's definitely a film on here, which is expected even when I watch stylists who talk about this treatment and do this treatment. There's one stylist who doesn't like this treatment specifically because it does leave this film, but I don't care. It's just for the first time, and then after you wash your hair, you don't have to deal with the film again. It's just for the treatment to penetrate. So this is what this looked like blow dried. Whew. All right, blow dry is done. We're gonna go flat iron. This is gonna be self-explanatory. I am gonna flat iron on 450 degrees. Yeah, I'm gonna trim my hair like after I straighten it, but we could see everything that needs to go, like literally all of this. So yeah, we're gonna flat iron on 450 degrees. I'm gonna do 2 to 3 passes. 3 passes only on like the really thick areas, but I think I'm gonna go like in thin sections so I can only do 2 passes. So the first one is gonna be to straighten, and the second one just to like smooth and bump. And I have this chaser comb situation. I'm just going to use this to comb it out right there. We're all heated up. I'm going to go over the roots a couple times. And then go down like this. And then one more pass. I want to just feel my hair and my ends. All right, yeah. So, okay. So after you flat iron it, the film, it doesn't feel like that. The hair is actually like really smooth. Okay. I was a little bit worried. I was like, dang, it's gonna be real stiff, but still gonna be a little stiff as you can see, but it feels smooth versus I don't feel that good up there. Blow dried in. And I feel like I can feel where the splits are on my ends too because the rest of the hair is so smooth. So I actually like this. Okay, just so there is no confusion, this treatment is heat activated. So that is why you have to blow dry it in your hair and also flat iron it. So like with a keratin treatment, you do not need to go over each strand 6 to 12 times and like essentially fry the treatment into your hair. Let me not say fry, it's sealing the treatment in your hair, but it's just a lot of passes. This one you just flat iron your hair like normal. But it is still heat activated. So the last time I did this, I think I had flat ironed my hair like on 400 degrees or like 375. But to do the actual treatment, I would suggest the higher heat to seal it in. And then when I go back to do like my normal wash days and things like that after, that's when if I want to, I can like lesser the heat. But to seal it in, we want to go ahead and use that high heat. And the shine already. It looks good. It's feeling good. So I'm excited about this application. So this is it from the front. And yeah, you can clearly tell, like, yeah, like right here needs to go. So I am going to come back with my wash day, my first wash day, so you can see how my hair reverts. Okay guys, so that was the result of my application for the smoothing system. I will say that your hair does lose volume when you first get the treatment done, but the days after the treatment my hair did like get back its volume, because you got to like press the treatment in, and I think over time like it kind of get back its volume. I know for sure once I wash my hair again I'm gonna get the full volume back. I was a little bit scared when I first did. I was like, why does my hair feel so thin? Why does it feel light like a feather? Like, I know we like to have the light airy, but it felt like I had like 2 strands of hair on my head. I didn't like that. But as the day goes by, like I got my fullness back and it was starting to get like its weight back. So I do like that. It has been raining the week that I did the treatment, and I've been outside walking my dog. I went outside today. I've been outside all day. It's literally drizzling. It looks like Seattle outside right now, okay? And my hair is still straight. Again, I just have clip-ins in. So all of this right here is my hair for the treatment. No frizz whatsoever. Yeah, so I'm happy. I like it. I love that it's a more gentle formula. I love that you keep your curls. Yeah, so I'm loving this so far. This is definitely a treatment that I would say you have to get like every 3 months for it to last. After that, your hair is just going to start behaving like it normally will. It's going to be puffing up, frizzing up, and I was dealing with that even with just a slither out for like my flip overs. The very minimal leave out that I left out was being left out. So yeah, the more you wash your hair as well, the treatment is going to like rinse out a lot quicker. Yeah, so if you're someone who washes your hair like every single week, your treatment might only last you like a couple months. It may only last you the 8 weeks versus the 12 weeks, but that's just something you kind of figure out as you're going along, because clearly as you're in your hair, you're like, oh, my hair's like frizzing up a lot easier now. You're like, it's time for a treatment. But either way, it's very gentle, so I don't see any problem with it. So I like it. So I will have all the links to these products down below if you want to attempt to do this yourself. You could always hit up your stylist to see if they offer this treatment or what other amino acid based treatment they may use. But it's not keratin. If they say keratin anything, no. Amino acid. Amino acid, keratin is completely 2 different things. Don't get a keratin treatment and be like, why? I didn't tell you that. I told you amino acid. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the wash day so you can see my hair revert in all its glory and how it acts then, and just to see like the volume and body come back in my hair. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye loves.